we gonna make it to Peter Pan? Hey guys, it's Hannah here. This evening we're at the Noll. So I'm so excited. I'm actually going to be doing something different. I'm usually not here this late, but I'm gonna be doing a challenge. So as soon as fireworks are done, which usually it completely empties out once the fireworks are done, like the crowds go way down. So that's a huge tip. Go stay after fireworks. Don't leave after fireworks, stay, because the crowds will go way down, way down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to go see how many rides I can ride after fireworks. So I have 2 hours to complete this challenge, and we're just going to go and see how many I can do. So excited to do it. It is about 8:28 right now, so fireworks are about in a half hour. We're going to watch the fireworks. As soon as they are done, we are gonna go. So we're about 10 minutes out from fireworks. So I just got a spot right here in Tomorrowland. Did not want to wait in that huge crowd of people. So basically this is where we are located, just right in the entrance of Tomorrowland. This is a really great spot too because it doesn't get as crowded. I would say a half an hour before it gets crowded. And you were able to just, once you're in the spot, you can just go to the attractions. Buzz first because I think that's going to get a little more busier, and we're just here in Tomorrowland. It's just smart. Ooh, off we go straight to Buzz right here. Ooh, Buzz is 10 minutes. We're stopped for like 2 minutes because of lightning lane. So here we go. Alright, here we go. Will we get Galactic Girl? Probably not, but you never know. Alright, aim for that robot arm there. See if we can get that volcano. That's another big spot, kind of.
What have you done? Reconnect the fusion cells. Power. I must have power.
We got one down, so that's one down. So now I think what we're gonna do is I'm torn between maybe running to Winnie the Pooh before it gets too long or doing People Mover, so I'm gonna go check the app real fast. To give everybody a time update, it is 9:27. 9:27. I have about an hour and a half to complete. It is the transportation system that never stops.
Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest.
Calling all Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's Earth.
This time it's laughter they're accurate. Monsters Incorporated.
So that is 2 rides. So we are going to go ahead now. Pooh did jump up a little bit, so I don't know if we will do that this evening. So I think we're going to go do the Teacups next. So we are now in line for the Teacups. Let's do it. Have an eye on the teacup. We want spinach and green. was ride number 3. So now we are going to head to, I think we're going to head to Dumbo, Barnstormer. They're like a 5-minute wait. So let's go ahead and knock these 2 rides out. Let's go under that sign. Let's go.
Thank you and enjoy the ride on Dumbo!
Woohoo! We're going on this yellowish Dumbo. I know I feel the drizzle coming down. Oh no. We have a rainy Dumbo flight. It's just a sprinkle, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and ride it. It's not raining too bad. So I think I will skip Barnstormer and go straight to Mermaid after this because I don't really feel like riding Barnstormer in the rain. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, come on, go higher. There we go. I was gonna say, is my Dumbo broken? Woohoo! Let's catch some of those views from up above. Woohoo! There's the Beast Castle. There's Cinderella Castle. That is ride number 4. I think I am going to skip Barnstormer just because of the rain. I don't want it to be an open skies on me while I'm on Barnstormer. So we're going to go straight to Mermaid.
I'll make you human if you give me your voice, she said.
We're still stuck here. I don't know. Are we gonna be able to do it?
They were kidding when they called me Rich. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways. Repentance in the...
We have a really empty bell area there. Actually, not empty. There's like nobody behind me. We got done with 5 rides. 5 rides. So I think now we are gonna go ahead and head to Who. So excited. Let's do this.
Each twin traded places with
If you ask me, he'll never reach that dream.
Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Roo! Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Mr. Toad!
We just got done with Pooh, so it is like, we're like in the 30-minute mark. Oh my gosh, we gotta hustle. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and run to Haunted Mansion next. So we got 6 rides. Oh, I didn't have another finger. So let's go do Haunted. So now I'm gonna go do, it is a 13-minute wait. What it is that? It means it is a walk-on. Whenever you see that, it means there's no wait. So go on over to Haunted Mansion, do it. So there's like 5 people on the stretcher with me right now. Insane. Insane.
Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue on.
There's nobody. Nobody there. We're gonna get right on. Less than 20 minutes away till the park closes. gonna make it to Peter Pan? I don't know. So that was ride number 7. Oh my gosh, so we have like 8 minutes. So we are now going to go into Peter Pan. I don't think it's gonna be a 20-minute wait, 20-minute
Come on, everybody, here we go!
So we have completed the challenge. It is like 11, 12. There we go. So we slowly make our way to the exit. It took a lot done after Enchantment. So let's go over what we did. So we did Buzz Lightyear, People Mover, Teacups, Dumbo, Little Mermaid, Pooh, Haunted Mansion, Peter Pan. We got so much done. So definitely stay. If you could, stay after fireworks. So if you stay after fireworks, you are going to get a lot finished. So go put that in the comments below. What was your favorite ride that I did this evening? Which one was your fave? So also, if you haven't yet, I'd absolutely love if you could go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of Disney World Disneyland content that you do not want to miss. Thank you for watching. Your vacation is up there.